going to do a quick haul from JoAnn's. So today they're having always big sales, have lots of catalogs. I hit the doorbusters thing, and the first thing's not very sewing related, but I got some more planner pages. They have the cute simplicity style ones that I could not find. I know they carry them, but they were out. So I got some organizer stuff anyway. The next thing, patterns were on sale. So I picked up this super cute McCall's pattern for myself. And I got this beautiful linen stripe that I'm going to make it out of. I'm going to do this view, I think. But because this is, and you probably can even see it in the camera, let me get my hand inside, it's sheer-ish. Wherever the ivory is pretty sheer. So I'm going to line the main body of it. So I have lining. So these two things will be coming up very soon after I finish the project I'm currently on. And I think I'm going to start that one next. Interfacing, not very exciting, but I like this is a black fusible interfacing, but it's a muslin, so it's not just the webbing stuff. It's actually a very lightweight fabric. And this is to go into a project I'm currently working on. And then we bought this pretty satin for my daughter, and we're just going to make her a little camisole top that she can wear under jackets and things. So that, and swimsuit lycra. Again, for the daughter, she needs some swim bottoms, so we're going to be working on a pattern for that. And I can't find the pattern exactly that she wants, but I have this really old quick sew underwear pattern, and it looks pretty close to the shape that she wants, so I think we're going to modify this and make it into a swimsuit pattern. And then the next two things are interior fabrics, and I hope the colors show up. This is gray with a coral and a aqua color, and this is very close to the colors of my bedroom. I've been working on my bedroom, so I got that one, and I got this. I have a thing for birds. I love birds, and my last name being Robbins, I think is part of that, but look at how pretty this is. So these are both for my bedroom. I have a lampshade that I have to redo, and then I'm going to make a couple decorator pillows to go with it. You saw the little bolster. I have this king-size bed now, and this bolster looks like this in the middle of this giant bed, so it needs some friends and some companions. So those were the things that I got at JoAnn's today. And the next thing I'm going to show you is an order that isn't here yet, but it'll be on this video, of trims, including, hopefully they match trims for this, and elastics and fun things like that. So that will be added to the end of this. Haul part 2. I'm going to start with stuff that came in the mail. This is my elastics that I ordered. This is a 10 yards of black, and I believe 99 yards of white, the 1/4 inch, because we just use so much of that. So there's my elastics, and I should have planned where I'm going to set stuff when I'm done. And look at this cute trim. Now I'm hoping this works. It's green instead of the blue turquoise, and I'm trying to just get a lot of pastel colors. My room is painted a pale blue, and it has gray and blue and sort of an ecru. Anyway, it's a lot of neutral looking things, so I'm trying to get just little pops of color. So this is the trim that I ordered. This is from trimsbytheyard.com. That's where this came from. So I have 8 yards of this trim. I do like it. So we'll see how it works for the pillows. Pillow making will be coming up soon. And what's left in here? Oh, they gave me a little, just a cute little Trims by the Yard little bag. And there's my, the rest of my elastic. I ordered 20 yards of elastic. It came in 2 10-yard hanks. That's how they did that. So there's that one. And then these next things are from fabric.com. And I showed the patterns, I believe, in the beginning, and these are the fabrics for them. So this is for the, I believe it's a McCall's pattern, and it has like a high-low hem with a ruffle at the bottom, etc. And this is the fabric that I'm going to use for that. This is a very nice crepe. It's got a beautiful drape to it, so I'm very happy Lovely, lovely fabric. And I believe I have 4.5 or 5 yards. 5 yards. 5 yards of this. So, and the reason I got 5 yards is because I have another pattern that I bought that's a shirtwaist, and I was vacillating back and forth. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to make the high-low one, but I may not. I'll get them back out and reevaluate. And then the other piece that I bought is for the Vogue pattern that has like interesting insets. It sort of has, it's sleeveless. It's in this video. And this is the fabric that I got for it. This is just a super soft drapey fabric. I hope you can see the nice pattern in it. It's really just black and white. I'm going to come close so you can see. Look at the lovely design in that. Let me do that for this other fabric too, just so you can see how pretty it is. So drapey. So those are my 2 new fabrics. I finally got a new ironing board cover. Yay! This is from Amazon. And the one I have, I've washed a couple times. I got some interfacing kind of stuck to it, and I can't get it off. So, and I ordered some more Metler thread. This is the off-white ivory color, a big spool of it. And then I can't remember if I've shown this to you or not, so I'm going to show it again. I bought this sight unseen. I mean, I saw it online, but I couldn't touch it and check the colors. It looked more pink online. It's very orange in person. I like the cute chinoiserie type design on it, but I'm afraid it may not work. I bought it for pillowcases for my room, just like actual pillowcases to sleep on. So I'm going to take all of my fabrics that I've picked out for my bedroom, put them together on the bed and kind of look at it. But I really like it. It does kind of match my trim. It's a little more orange, so we'll see. We'll see if this is more orange than the sort of salmon-y pink colors. But those are the things that I have recently gotten. I can't remember if I've shown you these 2 or not, so I'm going to show them again. This one is from JoAnn's, and I can't remember how much I bought. I'll have to remeasure it. It's one of those where I thought, oh, well, this will work for whatever pattern I brought home. I can't remember which pattern I thought I would make it in. I really like it though, and I'm sure it's a dress. I know that much. I think I have 3.5 or 4 yards. So I'll have to measure it and see which pattern it'll work with. This one is a fabric.com fabric. And when I bought it, it was in the Jersey Knits section. I was expecting it to be less heathered, and it's very cottony looking. It's actually what it is casual looking, a little more casual than I was expecting for the project I wanted to sew it with. So I need to measure and see how much I have. It's a nice weight t-shirt knit, so depending on how much I have will determine which pattern. I was wanting it for a dress. I don't love it as much in person once I got it. I don't hate it, it's fine, but it's more casual than I was expecting. So I haven't decided yet. I need to remeasure and see. It's looking like I have maybe 3 yards. So most of the patterns that I want to sew right now are 4.5 yards. So this may be, I don't know yet. I may just make a long t-shirt dress out of it, which would be fine too. So anyway, those are, I forgot those, so I'm going to add them back in. I've already sewn up 2 of the things that I showed on the first part of this. The swimsuit fabric is now swimsuit bottoms for my daughter, and the linen striped dress is done, and I'm editing that video right now. And I think I'm going to start on the Vogue dress next because I really want to wear it. I'm excited to own it. So that one's coming up. And then I've already cut out, if you've been watching all of my videos, I made the little peasant top. I'm going to make another one of those because I really like it. It's just comfy and easy, and I can wear it everywhere. So I may just do a video of all the things I've been sewing that I don't make videos of for you. Anyway, that's the haul, and coming up in a week, you'll get to see another tutorial and another outfit.